దేశీయంగా తయారైన అర్జున్ యుద్ధ ట్యాంక్ ను ఆర్మీ చీఫ్ ఎంఎం నరవణేకు అందజేశారు ప్రధానమంత్రి నరేంద్ర మోడీ. అర్జున్ ట్యాంక్లను ఆర్మీకి అందజేయడానికి ఇటీవలే నిర్ణయం తీసుకున్నారు. 8,400 కోట్ల విలువైన 118 యుద్ధ ట్యాంక్లను ఇచ్చేందుకు ఒప్పందం చేసుకున్నారు. వీటిని డిఆర్డీఓ తయారు చేసింది. 5 ఏళ్ల పాటు దీన్ని పరీక్షించి చూశారని డిఆర్డీఓ అధికారులు చెబుతున్నారు. దీని ట్యాంక్ ని ల్యాండ్ మైన్స్ కూడా పాడు చేయలేవన్నారు.
Arjun MBT Mark 1 Alpha, actually we have Arjun MBT Mark 1 124 tanks already serving in the army, Indian army. It is already operationalized and it's in the western border, northwestern borders as Prime Minister indicated. Okay, and this tank has been made with 71 improvements, and out of that 14 are major improvements, and we can run through that major improvements in case you desire. Okay, and this tank has been trial evaluated vigorously over a period of 3 to 5 years by Indian Army. It has been now certified and it is in the process of induction. That means 118 tanks of Arjun MBT Mark 1 Alpha Indian will be placed shortly. That is, indication has been given, and Prime Minister handing over is a grand occasion towards that.
This has got 71 upgrades. Of the 71, 14 are classified as major improvements and remaining 57 are minor improvements. Of the 14 major improvements, the director has already explained one by one, like track with mine plow, remote control open station, cabbies, and the advanced running gear systems, and so on and so forth. These are all user-driven improvements. Very, very important as far as increasing the firepower, mobility, protection is concerned. I'm thankful to the team that was backing us for last 30 years, and particularly for this time, last 10 years. In fact, unflinching support we got from my team. That only made this possible. And we continue to give the same kind of response and our commitment to the nation in the years to come.